Hello, my name is Tiffany Song. Welcome to the screencast. In a previous screencast, you learned how to locate the Vernon Area Public Library website using your browser. In this screencast, I'll be introducing new techniques for you to find a topic of interest using an online research tool. You'll be able to conduct a basic search and narrow down your search results using the new techniques. This is for students that are interested in finding a topic for their school project in middle schools and high schools. Here we have the Vernon Area Public Library website. This website can be accessible for you from your mobile device or your desktop computer. Let's begin by hovering over the Research tab. And when you do this, you should see a drop-down screen. Please select Premium Resources. From here, they give you options to filter from. We'll select all resource types. From the drop-down screen, click on Kids Resources. Scroll down and you'll be able to find, under the W's, World Book Online. See how it says reliable information and homework help for all ages? That sounds perfect for us. Let's click on that. So here you'll notice a login screen that says please enter your 14-digit library card number. This is something that card holders will need to use to simply access any of these resources. So let's log in. And here we can see a few options with icons on them. For today's class, we will be looking at the student icon with the pencil option. Here, there's a few options for students to look at, such as My Research, the Citation Builder, Maps and Atlases, and Browse by Subject. They also include a few interesting features such as the Current Events, Biography Center down here, as well as featured media such as videos and more. But for today, let's look at a few options that you can use to find a topic of interest. So first we'll select Browse by Subject. Now when you do this, it'll have a few tabs open for you. On the left side will be subjects that you can be interested on, such as art, business, industry and technology, geography, history, mythology, philosophy, and religion. Now let's go back to the main page. And here we'll look at the search bar. Now here you can see that as soon as you click on it, there's an advanced search bar. Here we can see a page that says a few options that you can use to filter through. The first that they show you is how to search for words or a phrase, which can be used organized with month, date, and year. Lexile Measure, which is the Lexile reading level, which has a range from a certain level you want to start from and end, or the basic search term, as well as to browse by articles or by subject matter. And when you look up a topic such as the Renaissance, it'll show you this page here. On the left tab, it'll show you 653 results found. Encyclopedia articles, sounds, and back in time are a few options for you. Alright class, with that, I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me today. Here's my contact information, my email, and my phone number and extension. Have a good day, everyone!